TEP Centre is more than an organization. It is a movement dedicated to transforming education in Nigeria. Over the last decade, we have focused on three key pillars: data, innovation, and partnerships. Through our initiatives, we have bridged the gap between policy and practice, ensuring that education works for every child, everywhere.
TEP Centre has sought to not just identify these innovative solutions to the challenges in the education sector, but to also connect these innovators to scale innovation that could increase access to quality education for all children, regardless of their socioeconomic background or their location. Our goal has been to ensure that every Nigerian child, regardless of their background, has access to high quality education that not only unlocks their potential, but that provides them with the skills and competencies to thrive in the 21st century.
Central to this mission is Learn Nigeria, an initiative that asks a fundamental question: are our children learning? This project, which assesses the foundational literacy and numeracy skills of children aged 5 to 15, has become a critical tool for understanding the state of education across Nigeria. Through a household-based data collection model, Learn Nigeria has assessed over 49,000 children and engaged more than 21,600 households. This approach has not only helped identify critical learning gaps, but also provided insights into the socio-economic and contextual factors affecting education. The data revealed a stark reality. More than 70% of 10-year-olds could not read or comprehend basic text, underscoring the urgent need for targeted interventions.
Learn Nigeria is an acronym that stands for Let's Engage, Assess and Report Nigeria, and it's very mission aligned with TEP Centre's vision and mission, which is to work through partnerships to ensure access to quality education for all children. The Learn Nigeria program was one we initiated in 2015, and that the first nationally representative survey in 2017. We were able to survey 49,000 children spread across 21,000 households in 36 local government areas across the country. It was the first of its kind, and that data now gave birth to the other intervention programs that we have done since then.
Using this data, TEP Centre launched a range of remedial programs that have already shown tangible improvements in learning outcomes. From tailored community workshops to teacher training programs, Learn Nigeria is not just identifying problems, it is driving solutions. In response to the pandemic's disruption of learning, TEP Centre launched the Koya project with funding from google.org. This innovative initiative used low-tech SMS solutions and instructional workbooks to provide educational support to children in 15 communities across northern Nigeria. Despite the many challenges of remote learning, Koya successfully raised reading proficiency by 33.5%. Proving that simple technology-based solutions can yield significant results even in the most challenging contexts. Alongside Koya, TEP Centre continues to address foundational learning gaps through the Learn Nigeria Remedial Program, or LRP. This methodology focuses on helping children aged 7 and older acquire essential literacy and numeracy skills. By meeting children at their individual learning levels, LRP ensures that they gain a solid foundation in basic reading and arithmetic, critical building blocks for overall academic success. LRP is a cost-effective and impactful strategy that helps children catch up in a short time, enabling them to move ahead with their education. The need for a strong foundation in the early years of education is vital, as fluency in reading and a solid grasp of arithmetic are key to understanding the world around them, expressing themselves, and excelling in further learning.
Learn Nigeria sought to answer the question, are children learning? And because of the citizen-led, household-based nature of the assessment survey, we were able to collect data from all children in school, out of school, with and without learning or physical disabilities. And we're able to see what children, regardless of their age or grade in school, were able to read and what they're able to calculate when it comes to numeracy, and therefore give us the evidence with which to design both remedial interventions as well as teacher professional development interventions that now begin to influence what teachers do in the classroom. So I think that might be one of our biggest landmarks. Since 2015, 10 years later, we're still referring to that data, collecting more data, analyzing all this data, and designing intervention programs to solve the problem. So we measure as well as we offer treatment, we offer solutions.
For 8 years, the NEDIS Education Innovation Summit has been a cornerstone of TEP Centre's work. It brings together thought leaders, policymakers, and innovators to address pressing challenges in education. Each summit produces actionable outcomes that drives policy reforms and innovative program design. Complementing NEDIS, the EdMeet series fosters cross-sector dialogue, exploring the intersections of education with technology, climate change, and foundational learning. These events, alongside TEP's monthly webinars, create spaces for thought leadership and collaboration, amplifying solutions that work.
NEDIS and EdMeet are our biggest platforms for convening as an organization. Like I said at the beginning, TEP Centre, the work that we do at TEP Centre is very unique, and a lot of it's pioneering. Like, we are the first to do that type of work. So we needed a platform for not only knowledge sharing and learning exchange, but also for collaboration, and collaboration with the intent to scale. Our mission was to see these pockets of innovation that we're identifying all over the country, or that we were even implementing, that we became a part of. We wanted to see these pockets of innovation become mainstreamed, as in institutionalized in our existing systems and structures, but also benefiting more children and teachers and schools and communities.
Through the PLANE project, a 7-year £95 million initiative funded by the UK government, TEP Centre plays a central role in strengthening education systems in states such as Kano, Kaduna, and Jigawa. As part of this transformative initiative, TEP Centre has been instrumental in developing results frameworks that help measure progress and impact, conducting comprehensive socio-demographic surveys across more than 7,500 schools, and supporting learning assessments that provide critical insights to shape future education strategies. Beyond technical expertise, TEP Centre's role extends to fostering collaboration and partnership between key stakeholders. Through this project, governments and the private sector and civil society have come together, sharing knowledge and resources in a concerted effort to improve educational outcomes. The PLANE project represents not just a partnership of institutions, but a collective commitment to addressing systemic challenges in education delivery.